What's up, poor guy? Oh, is today Lucid Tuesday? You're right. You're right. I forgot about that. Don't write it in the title. But how am I gonna get the views, you know? That means I have to change the subscriber setting. Hold on. More chances for us. I mean, if you're not a bot, you have a pretty good chance. What's up, Holman? Who doesn't have a single account? Alright, I'm going over to my Discord. It announces when? Today, right? Later today, yeah. What's up, Anthony? I send the link of your Discord through X, but the link says expired. It shouldn't be expired. Other people have no trouble joining, so I don't know. My weekend was good. I kind of just like turned off everything and just like didn't think about anything. Why are always silent on P&L questions? What's your P&L question? Good morning, Kevin. Just click on the link on my YouTube description, or I guess you can do this. Where is, alright, I gotta finish setting up my thing because I'm not ready to trade yet. Even I tried to copy paste that link to my friend on Discord saying invalid invite or link expired like that. I'll take a look. Maybe if you copy and paste it, it doesn't work or something. That could be the case. Alright, I guess I have everything ready to go, even though I didn't know today was Lucid Tuesday. Yeah, for some reason I thought today was Monday. I even thought about like, okay, tomorrow's gonna be Lucid Tuesday. Like I was thinking that like 30 minutes ago, but apparently that's today. Alright, that's the bottom and high. We're in the middle of the range with 5 minutes to go. Good morning, Buffalo. Good morning, resilient trader. Morning, Drew. I seem sleepy. I am sleepy. Didn't get much sleep. Haven't really had time for trading recently. Yeah, I feel like you've been going in and out. Are you focusing on your other business? Try it through YouTube description. It's working. Yeah, I think it's like for some reason if it's something wrong with Twitter or if you copy and paste, maybe it doesn't work. Maybe I have some setting on, I don't know. I'll take a look. Do you have any other income other than trading? Yeah, my other income is, or my only income is everything but trading, if that makes sense. I make zero income from trading, just like every other influencer. I've been just busy with other ventures, yeah. That's what I figured, but sometimes you need a break, you know? Is the market open? No. We're dropping. Do you think it opens on a sell or a buy? I mean, this looks like a Judas swing to me. Because like I'm sure a lot of people are pre-shorting right now. So I think we're gonna dump market open and then get bought up. I don't know, after tagging these lows maybe. I don't know. We do have a gap here down here, so maybe we'll fill this. That's possible too. As ICT would call it, new week opening gap. NWOG. All right, the market's about to open and we're going up. All right, I need to stop getting distracted. I need to get my charts up and get ready to trade here. Gap fill drop. Yeah, I think that's pretty likely too. We gotta fill this gap right here. I mean, it doesn't really have to happen today either. Cause like that's what they want you to think, and it could happen tomorrow, or you have this whole week to do it. Who knows? Good morning, E Mini Magic. Only 6 viewers now. Watch, as soon as I say the G word, it's gonna go up to like 25. Morning, philosopher. Six viewers and how many likes? I mean, 3 is not bad. 30% isn't bad. The G word is viewers hack, yeah. That's why you gotta do it every day. I might low-key not. I might be running out. Let me see. Let's ask. See, I feel like as soon as I even said the G word or the letter G, like people are coming in here. What's up, Hassan? I mean, we are dipping hard here. Let them know to be entered into the giveaway. They have to hit the like button. Okay, maybe I'll do that. I'm trying to get more codes here. because I'm running out. Might as well benefit. Yeah. I mean, I could put like, you know, get to 50 likes to start the give. Oh, I can't say that word. 50 likes to start it, you know? Something like that. $10M reversal. It's a little too early to see. We just swept, you probably can't see it here, no. We swept this low right here on the hourly. Let's see if we can push up. What's up, smooth operator? I think the weekend was pretty good for me, not having to think about trading. One minute orb. Do you enter on the body of the candle or the wick for a 1 minute orb? I guess the body was the perfect point today. Wow. Look at that bounce. I doubt it, but if we fall back down, I'm gonna short. But I doubt it, seeing how strong this bounce is. But you never know. Why do I have a volume indicator on my top step? All of a sudden. You're in a short. Good luck, man. NQ very strong, eh? Yeah, NQ is already back to pre-market high there. Wow. We're really going up. I think I mentioned that, it's going to be a Judas swing. I'm just right every time. They patched the 10 a.m. reversal. I mean, we'll see, man, because we still have 15 minutes, and if this keeps going up, I think we could see a drop at 10 a.m. Now it's 9:36 reversal. No, it's you get the Judas swing and then you get the 10 a.m. reversal. So it's like there are two different things. Did something crazy, two longs at that low, just got out. Nice. Yeah, that was a pretty good move, and it could still go higher, I guess. Yeah, you can't forget the famous teachings of ICT, man. Pinocchio swing, maybe. God, all these like weird names that he puts. There was another one that was like the newest thing. I forget the name. Took the bottom and out at the top. Did you make some good money with that? That's like eval passing move right there. Alright, I guess today's the last day for Apex funding. Wink, wink. You have 14 hours. One mini for 900. That is stellar, man. I can only dream. $8.20.50. Whoa, we're dipping. Is a setup possible here? That'd be wild. That would be some crazy reversal. Could actually get my first ever payout if I make a profit tomorrow. Okay. So you're pretty much where everybody is, where they're like so close to a payout and they blow their funded. So you really gotta be careful here, okay? Don't put a like a deadline to your payout. Don't think, oh, I need to get that payout tomorrow. Just like let it happen. However long that's gonna take, just let it happen. Don't put a deadline on it. Doesn't have to happen tomorrow. Also, you could lose tomorrow. Like, keep that in mind. Have that expectation that you could lose tomorrow, so that you don't spiral out of control after you lose. Especially if you made that money today, like on somewhat of luck, right? You don't want to give that back. RDT patience, yeah, man. Respect the risk. Detach from the outcome. And then I forget what the T is. Trust the discipline, I think. Yo, we're dropping, yo. 7 minutes left. 6 minutes left. It could happen. You went short off of the overnight POC. Very nice. there's a fair value gap right here. So we're bouncing off of that. I'm just waiting for it to drop. Alright, I guess we're bouncing out of here. Let's see. 10 a.m. reversal here would be a short, I think. I've been using a couple flow chart sites that show net calls and puts for SPY, SPX, QQQ. It's been helping. Alright. Use whatever works for you, man. I guess that's a good indicator if the it's like tilt on top step pretty much. But I don't know how accurate top step's tilt is. Just got a new Lucid Flex with code RGT. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. What's up? Trade with Valhalla. I'm good, I'm good. Just waiting for this 10 a.m. to happen. All right, get ready to go short here without a stop loss because it's going to dump. You're going long? All right, good luck, man. Well, I said short. I picked that as my 10 a.m. reversal direction, but could be wrong. Not financial advice, just doing it for fun. How many trades you've traded today? I just started, so 0. I feel like we are kind of getting exhausted right here, making a bunch of wicks, so we could maybe drop, but not really. I guess not. Never mind. Kind of stair stepping up here. You know what that means. Am I late for what? For the party? You're too early for the party. Do you think we get a hard sell here? That's my guess. You know, my 10 a.m. reversal still stands. I mean, we took a little bit of heat here. I'm the party. If you like see a dude just sit here and wait for a trade, I guess that's a party. Technically a short for me. I'm not shorting in this market. We'll see. We still have that gap below, so I really don't know if we're gonna go up or down. Now it seems kind of sus. Looking for 100% orb today. Yeah, today orb is working out. Huh. I don't know. I feel like we're losing strength here to keep pushing up. All right, looks we're going higher. Looks like we're going higher here. I think FOMO is definitely real, but it's a symptom of a problem, right? The problem is that you don't have your strategy that you have a lot of conviction in. So you kind of want every opportunity that you see. And that manifests itself by you FOMO into it, FOMO trading. So you enter long, price comes down. I enter short, price goes up. Yeah. I had someone say, why not just do the opposite of that then? You know, do the reverse psychology on yourself. If you want to go long, go short. If you want to go short, go long. You need to be able to define your setup clearly. If you can do that, then everything else outside of that setup is nothing to concern yourself with. I mean, there's also a factor of greed, right? Or greed and being impatient. You wanna get to that payout faster. You wanna pass that eval faster. Or you get overconfident. Let's say you waited for that perfect setup and you won that trade, and you're like, all right, let's keep going. I only have $100 left on this eval. Let me just try to market buy here and catch this move. I think conceptually, the following your rules should give you freedom, right? Conceptually, but it's a double-edged sword. Because like it really depends if your rules are worth following, first of all. But you don't know that until you give it enough time. But during that time, you see all these shiny objects here. You know, you see this strategy on social media doing well this month, and you get tempted to gravitate towards that. So it's not easy. Wow, we really slowed down here. But we're slowly going up, I guess. We're chilling between the first and second VWAP ST bands. Looks like today's an orb day if we keep going up. Good morning, man. Sent the win on the chat. What's the gray line? What's up, Hugh Tickle? The gray lines are levels from pre-market I marked out on the 15-minute chart. The short was based on levels second SD band, so I figured it would reject for a point. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it worked out perfectly. Daily profit hit on that eval. Nice. Keep going, man. YOLO on those evals. Well, as long as you're aware of the consequences. That's why I use code RDT many times. Hey, I won't stop you from using the code, you know? So as long as you got a kick out of it, you know, I'm not going to stop you. Just keeps pumping up. Maybe today's not the day to short, you know? Don't be too stubborn about it. Because that's where you can blow up. Giveaway when, bro? I'm not gonna say. Whenever I feel like it. There's no giveaway. It's hacked to increase viewers. Yeah, I kind of ran out of accounts, so you know. But am I gonna keep talking about it to increase my viewers? Most definitely. You know, I just love giveaways. You know, doing giveaways is my goal in life. Giveaways. Giveaway is not happening right now. Giveaways. Yeah, if you're not entered in by now, it's too late. Might get an entry around 11 if we hold above IB high for a bit. I think today is a great day for orb. Looks like we're really pushing up here. If you want entry, don't hang out in other streams. Come here. I mean, you just have to keep me in the background and listen, you know? What I could do is play some annoying music. So you mute the stream, but then you miss it. Would be annoying to trade while listening to annoying music. Yeah, that's why I don't have anything. Oh my god. This 5-minute candle is going to say a lot. I think we're rolling over. Unless we get a crazy push up pretty soon here. When Lucid Day is coming, bro, I'm craving for it. It'll come. Or is it? Or is it going to? Who knows? I guess you won't know until you watch the stream. Alright, cool. My request got approved. I got more codes for people. For my favorite peeps. I'm watching but in low volume, otherwise my family members will ask me, what are you watching? Just tell them, you know. Tell them you're watching a dude, just say here, watching charts. Got stopped out, but I still got 50% orb. Okay. Not bad. Win is a win. Yeah, I'm glad I got approved on that. The more you guys use my code, the more leverage I have on, you know, getting these codes. So, appreciate it, guys. You guys made it possible. Whenever I told them I'm close to payout, the account blows. That's why you gotta be patient, man. Don't change your ways when you go from 0 to however close you are to a payout. You usually go for 50%, yeah. Sometimes you just gotta take the profit and run, you know? If your code gets used like 100 times, will you get a higher account size? How does it work? No. I can request for a higher account size, but I'd rather, because like everybody likes 50K anyway, so I would rather get more 50Ks rather than asking, you know, 150. I can't even ask for Lucid Directs, but I feel like that's not really, you know, good use of my request. Lucid Direct is not good, yeah. I would rather ask for 50Ks that everybody likes. Everybody loves 50K. So, and if I don't ask for the higher ones, I can potentially ask more 50K accounts, right? So, $50K is the way. Yeah, I think $50K is the sweet spot. I think for Lucid, the $25K has a lower profit target. So I think there is an argument to be made that $25K might work too, if you can really control the drawdown. But yeah, $50K is the standard. $25K are good also. Maybe you can get more of those if less people are asking for them. Yeah, maybe. But it's like so easy to blow 25Ks, you know? Yeah, especially if you trade NQ with 25K. Yeah. No dice. But I mean, it's a personal preference. But I think the majority of the people will like the 50K. Okay, what's the bottom of this? It's like middle, it's like one of these candles. Or is it this one? Okay, it's this one. $200 from passing. All right. Almost there, man. Debating setting a long off of VWAP. If that is, you know, if that is part of your plan. We'd be really reversing right here too. It's the only other strat I use? Okay. Then you're good to go, man. You have my blessing. Where did we open? 34. So we're kind of going back to market open here. Where is the VWAP? Let's see. I'm turning on the VWAP indicator here. Didn't we pass VWAP? VWAP right now is at 45. Top set, my VWAP is 41. Trading view 45. Yeah. I guess if we close above the VWAP, then you can consider longing that. But we're dropping. You're done for the day? Okay, man. That's fair. Which singer do you usually listen? I don't really listen per se to music. I just listen to podcasts. But when I was into music, I really don't have any really favorite singer per se. I like all genres. And each genre has like, your favorites. I'm not too picky when it comes to music. RDT likes Frank Sinatra. Yeah, I could listen to some of his songs. For sure. Thank you for the shout out. You're welcome, man. You have a great name. You have a timeless classic name. I think the only even this isn't true, but the only thing I'm like at least aware of is like music these days, right? My knowledge of music ends like the teens, 20 teens. But I say it's not true because like some of the songs that are, popular right now, I listen to them sometimes. If they get into the zeitgeist enough. All right, Buffalo, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good nap. Made a couple decent trades, but I won't be able to trade rest of the week, so I'm good for the day. Okay. Man. I've realized that you need to be kind of thankful if you don't take trades because like if you guys remember back in February, I was like itching to take trades and I was like complaining every day. I'm like, why am I not getting a setup? And then the very next month in March, I did some damage to my accounts. And at that point, I was like, you know what? It would have been better if I didn't take any trades. So you really got to be thankful if things are boring. Have you ever played God of War? I played Ragnarok. That's the only one I've played. But I didn't finish it. But it's a good game. But I'm not super into single player unless it's like super good writing like Red Dead Redemption. That's probably like the only single player I've played to finish. Not Prince of Persia even? Nah. I'm aware of the Halo. Halo I played, all throughout. I even read books. Halo books. But yeah, I have a pretty high standard when it comes to single player games. It's hard for me to finish them. Do I play mobile games? Sometimes. Sometimes I get hooked on something. But I never like pay money though. Cause like I know that's what they want you to do. I got into this game called Sorrow. Sorrow. But I play like here and there. It's not really like, I don't know if you guys can see that Sorrow. I don't pay any money. I just play like whenever I get bored. I play God of War, Prince of Persia, GTA 3, Counter-Strike, Resident Evil, PUBG PC. Like I played all those games. Obviously Counter-Strike, Counter-Strike and PUBG aren't single player games, but I guess from there the only thing I haven't played is Prince of Persia. GTA 3 is a great game for sure. That's like my childhood right there. I remember all the cheat codes for GTA 3, and you gotta lube up the numpad, or it's not numpad, the pad thing on the left with like grease so you can do the rotating thing faster. You only play mobile games. I think I can never get into mobile games because it's always pay to win. So I'm not super into pay to win. Trading is a patience game. Yes, you would know because your name checks out. You play a lot of Warzone and Arc Raiders. Yeah, I'm not super into Battle Royale. I mean, I'm a Call of Duty kid, you know? I played Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3. Search and Destroy was like the thing. I'm not gonna give you ways to find me on YouTube, but I have Call of Duty videos somewhere, a long time ago, and it's still up. I used to play Vice City. Yeah, I play Vice City, San Andreas. I mean, like, I'm sure everybody's excited about GTA 6. So, but I kind of want to play it on PC, so I probably have to wait longer. The only console I have is PS4 now, so unless it comes out on PS4, I probably will wait. Seems like you're a game streamer before. I dabbled in streaming games back in Justin TV. Justin.tv. But I'm like never good enough in games to like stream. That's for sure. I guess if I stuck to it for long enough, it doesn't matter how good you are, but we broke the lows here. Let's see. I see that it's kind of getting close to the bottom of the VWAP SD band here. Let's see if we can get a bounce there. Lucid Tuesday question mark. Took a loss on that long off of VWAP. Yeah, it looks like we're reacting off of the first SD band here. Why is this so... Lucid dream on Tuesdays? I mean, this might be TMI, but did you guys have lucid dreams about Lucid Tuesday yesterday? Not me, because I thought today was Monday. Yeah, same. Same. Is black my favorite color? It's like black and red. That combo I like. If I were into cars, which I'm not, my car would be like blacked out, but then with like red trims. I see you wearing black on streams, yeah. I mean, majority of my clothes are black, yeah. But yeah, I'm just like used to it. I'm not saying like that's my favorite color per se. What is my favorite car? Like my dream car, or like, I mean, it changed over the years. You know, I used to be like, oh, I want that Lambo. Lambo looks good, but now that I'm older, it's like I want something more practical, right? So any kind of like, you know, SUV, not a huge one, just like a normal SUV would be good for me. But I just like care so little about cars that even if like I buy some car, like I wouldn't take care of it. So that would be just wasting money. What about sports car? Um Again, it's like I'm so worried about, like, if it's a sports car, if it's like a super expensive car, like I'm so worried about getting into an accident or dinging it, getting scratches. So it's not worth the stress. Plus, like I care so little about it. Like cars for me is just getting me from point A to point B in the most safe way possible. So my dream car would be the best, the safest car, whatever that is out there. Am I a gamer? If you define gamer as gaming once in a while, then yes. I'm a Prius kind of guy. Uh, I don't mind. I don't mind the Prius. I like the efficiency. I don't care about looks, but is it the safest car out there? Probably not, because it's still like a small car. What business do you own rather than trading? I own the business of YouTube, and then other than that, I just freelance. So I don't really own any businesses. Your looks don't matter. I go personality kind of guy. I mean, when it comes to people, I don't think so. I think looks is like an invitation, right? I think looks do matter when it comes to people, but not like in the shallow sense, but it's like a starting point. Volvo is marketed as the safest car. Yeah, I heard about that. But it's like also it needs to be safe, but also easy to maintain because I really hate maintaining cars. Like I can't even get myself to do oil changes. Like I have to kind of force myself. So I think Volvos are, I don't know anything about Volvos, but I'm sure it's not the most, it's not high up there when it comes to maintenance. Toyota guy, yeah. Yeah, I don't mind the Toyota as long as it's not overpriced because everybody wants a Toyota now. But I feel like, okay, here's the thing. It's like spending money on a car is like the last thing on my mind, right? It's like I don't even have a dream of owning a car, honestly. If I had all the money in the world, like I would be more into kind of leasing a new car, right? Rather than owning it because like I just don't care. So that's why you'll never see me as like no matter how popular I get, you'll not see me with a rented Lamborghini, okay? Or a McLaren. Or a G-Wagon or a Tesla Cybertruck. And you'll never see me with a watch either, okay? I'm just like so opposite from these influencers that I don't know, like I don't know what content to make. There's like no content that I'm like interested in when it's just baiting people, selling the dream of success. Don't you like Chevy? Um, I don't. I mean, I don't mind it, but they're not the best when it comes to maintenance, right? Or lasting a long time. You're a down to earth guy, probably an introvert. Yeah, definitely. And a homebody, right? So I don't go outside often. I just chill here with you guys every morning. Alright, if we dip more from here, then I might start the thing. Because there's no chance we're going to close back inside the range. What is the meaning of getting membership if I don't get an extra entry in the duck race? I mean, I wish I could do that, man, but that's illegal. I can't give you any extra benefit when it comes to sweepstakes. Trust me, like every bone in my body is making me want to do that. But at this point, if you get a membership, it's just purely to support me, you know? It's optional. Is there a duck race? Yeah, there's gonna be a duck race. There are like other options like marbles or whatever, but I'm on a Mac and those things need like what do you call it? A PC, a Windows. So let my duck be modified by SpaceX. Man, I'm so ready for SpaceX IPO. I'll never buy into it, but I just want to watch the chaos. All right, let's get some wrong answers going. If you guys can start typing some wrong answers here, we'll get it started. Let's see if you guys can guess, because I have my answer written down right here. Let's see if I can get you guys to guess. Nobody is even close. Oh, poor guy was pretty close. All right, we need some wrong answers, guys. You guys can't just type the right one and spam it, okay? Man, where do these people come from? I feel like we got more than last week, for sure. All right, this is gonna be last chance right here. All right, I'm done. No more after this. All right, we're gonna do first place and last place, okay? First place wins Lucid Flex. Last place wins Lucid Pro. Good luck. If you're ahead right now, you probably won't win. Smooth operator, first place. Wow. Are you here, smooth operator? Okay, you're here. Cool. All right, you win Lucid Flex. Last place for Lucid Pro, okay? Good luck. Man, we're really dumping right now. Who's gonna be last place here? All right, let's scroll down. I don't know how many people we have, so. Here we go. Oh. Lucifer, are you here? Lucifer. I saw you earlier. All right, you're here. Lucifer is here. You're here always? I don't know about always. All right. Reach out to me on Discord, Lucifer, and Smooth Operator. You guys know what to do. All right, come back tomorrow for Apex Wednesday, man. I'm asking you questions about gaming. Yeah, that's what I meant. I was like, I remember you saying something earlier. I really have to be careful because like people they make accounts and they copy whoever the winner is and they try to swindle me out of accounts, so I have to be like extra attentive. Hey, at least I got, 22 likes off of that giveaway, right? Worth. Man, what a boring day. Did my chat freeze this time? No. Okay. I don't know why my chat sometimes on stream freezes, but today it didn't, so I don't get it. Taken 2 trades so far, 1 loss, 1 win, positive for $23. Okay. Yeah, no trade for me yet. Looks like I'm gonna have to wait until the afternoon. See, I already got 2 people saying they want Lucid Pro. I'm like, what? Yeah, so I have to, go through the painstaking process to try to verify, even though it looks like, even for you, Smooth, like I know you want multiple times, like even if you reach out to me, I have to like check that you are you, you know? Even if I recognize your profile picture and everything, they can impersonate you on everything except the ID, the username. So I have to make sure. Yeah, it is annoying. But at least I have a way to verify instead of like I have to guess. All right, we keep dipping, so I'm gonna head out, guys. I'm not gonna get us set up here, so I'll be back tomorrow morning for Apex Wednesday. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Anthony. All right, Kevin, see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.